the FARO Quantum Arm, elevating the value and performance standards for manufacturing inspection and alignment. The Quantum FARO Arm is FARO's most accurate arm ever. It is an industrial-grade metrology device designed for inspection, CAD-to-part analysis, and reverse engineering applications on parts and assemblies. Exceptional ergonomics minimize user effort and fatigue. With the FARO Blue Laser Line Probe HD, Quantum integrates the best laser scanner available in the market. The Quantum sets a new industry performance bar and ensures maximum measurement consistency and reliability for every working condition. It sets a new standard for ruggedness. The Quantum offers robust Wi-Fi for wireless probing and scanning. Extreme portability with dual hot swappable batteries. FARO Kinematic Intelligent Probes allow you to quickly and easily switch probes without the need to recalibrate. Easily transported throughout the factory or off-site. Wherever the measurement is needed, quick and easy setup. An intuitive, user-friendly measuring device. The FARO Quantum. Fast return on investment. Optimize your production processes by leveraging a single device for numerous measurement applications.